In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up an HTML document template using an employee verification letter. From the navigation bar, select All. From the drop-down menu, select All Document Templates. In the Document Templates page, click New. Select the HTML document template from the list. Enter a name for the template. Choose an HR case table to which you want to associate the HTML template. Start composing the content for the employment verification letter in the body field. You have the option to incorporate dynamic tokens, which can include fields from the table, walkable fields, signatures, and template scripts. These dynamic token values will be automatically replaced with the appropriate information when the document is generated. For example, choose Employee Start Date from the list of variables. When the document is generated, the start date is automatically rendered from selected field. In the form, select the template language from the drop-down menu. You can also fill in the details in the header, footer, and page tabs by specifying the image, image height, page size, and so on. Select the Submit button to save the changes in the form.